What is up, guys? P Brotus here, back with a brand new video. Today I'm doing something completely different. I've been getting a lot of questions regarding how I record my gameplay without a capture card. So here it is. All you need is a USB 3.0 flash drive, which you can find at any store near you. Just order it online. I personally get them from Best Buy. This is the one that I get from Best Buy. It's the PNY Elite Turbo Attach. Doesn't really matter, the name's long, but all you need is a USB 3.0 drive, which I'm sure you can find anywhere. Anyways, once you do purchase the drive, or once you have the drive, all you got to do is go ahead and plug it in to your PC, because one thing you do need to do is reformat that flash drive. So right now it's USB drive E. I'm gonna right click on it once I have it highlighted and go to format. All you'd really need to do is change it from XFAT to NTFS. Go ahead and hit start. Make sure if you do have some items in that USB, make sure you save them elsewhere before you reformat, because you will lose all your files. So we'll go ahead and click OK and wait for it to format. So once it's formatted, I'm gonna go ahead and hit complete. Close this window out. I am going to eject that USB and bring it over to my console. So give me 1 second while I go ahead and do that. I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so welcome back. Now that I have my USB drive inserted into my Xbox 3 or Xbox. Alright guys, so now that Alright guys, so now I have inserted the USB drive into my console after it's already formatted. All I'm gonna do is go to my settings. So go to your settings, go down to preferences, as where I was, and under capture and share, go ahead and click that. So it's gonna give you a couple of things here. You don't necessarily have to worry about capture by me or to record what happened. Ultimately, you will be able to record more than just 30 seconds, so don't let that scare you. So all you got to do, click whatever you're streaming or whatever you're recording on can handle. So if you have a TV that can handle the 1080 SDR, just put 1080. If you have an HDR TV, you can go ahead and record in 4K HDR. It'll ask you there, when capturing at 4K, game clips can be up to 30 seconds long. You can record up to an hour. It doesn't necessarily have to be 30 seconds, and I'll show you how to do it. So I'm just going to go ahead and click switch. So now that I have it on 4K HDR, I actually want to record on the external USB drive or external memory drive. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. It'll say let you capture longer clips, and you can edit them yourself on your PC. You just hit confirm. So now that you have your capture location set up, the resolution that you want set up, and if you want to record the audio from the actual matches, so if you're playing a game and there's other people talking and you want to record that information, make sure you have the mic on. If you just want to record your gameplay with that audio, just turn the mic off. So for purpose of the video, we're just gonna leave it on. So now all we gotta do is head back in. So we're just gonna load up Call of Duty here. Give it just 1 second. So now I'm in my loading screen. Shows my character. Let's say I want to start recording from right here. All I have to do is hit my home button, go to the right side, and where it says start recording, you just click on that. Unfortunately, it's not going to show it on the screen right now because I'm transferring the screen to my PC. So when you're streaming your screen to a PC, it doesn't allow you to record that. So I just recorded like a 1-minute clip. So now I'm going to go ahead and eject that USB drive and bring it back to my computer. Now that you have that USB connected back into your computer, all you got to do is bring up that file and you'll have that 4K or 1080p recording that you just did on the Xbox. You can do this also on the PlayStation, but I do not have a PlayStation to give you that step-by-step. But what I will do is link a video for a PlayStation 4 walkthrough on how to do it with a USB. So if you have any other questions, feel free to message me and I'll try to answer them the best as I can. But thanks for watching and we'll check you later. Bye-bye.